Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about the 3 E's of presentation skills. I'm going to teach you the deadly sins or mistakes that result in a poor presentation. And I'm going to teach you 6 strategies you can make to make your presentations 100% more effective and more dynamic. The first is energize. Whether your audience is 1 or 1,000, be in a peak state at a high level of energy and transfer that energy to your audience. You do this gradually by building up the energy in the room, and once they are fully energized, then you move on to entertain them. In our public speaking workshops, we teach you how. Number 2, entertain. When you're having fun and involving the audience with the information, keep them entertained, and at the same time, share your information. You want them to leave saying, you know, I'm glad I had a chance to spend some time with that person, even if they weren't fully interested in what it was you were teaching or selling. The third is educate. Inspire your audience, giving them high-quality educational value. You want them to leave feeling inspired, better informed, and more educated on the subject than when they arrived. The fourth is confidence. This comes from practice and experience. If you don't feel fully confident, you can at least act if you are confident. And you can act confident by practicing. So just fake it till you make it, though this is no excuse not to prepare for your presentation. Number 5, prepare for your presentation as if the press was there and going to quote you. Imagine it to be your last presentation of your life and the legacy that you will leave behind. This will help you make your presentation shine as your audience deserves. And number 6, save the best for last, because if you show the best first, everything else you show will be compared to the best and look worse. You gradually want to build up the excitement. It's kind of like sex, but it's a good way to give a presentation. We'd love to teach you more in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And if you attend one of our communication skills workshops, you'll learn how to speak in public more effectively and more dynamically. Leave your comments in the box below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care and have a wonderful day.